A laboratory is the backbone of the health field.
After this week, I've definitely started looking more into a career in the medical laboratory sciences field.
So the medical laboratory science field is kind of not very well known. Everyone kind of just bundles it up together in general lab science, but what we do specifically is if there's a patient sample that comes in, we're the ones that are actually testing it, and 99% of the diagnosis actually comes from our laboratories. The Medical Laboratory Science Summer Immersion program is a program that we put on 1 week out of the year as kind of a showcase of what we actually do.
And each day we learn about a different field within the medical laboratory sciences program.
This medical laboratory sciences program is one of the best and most fun experiences I've ever had, and I will hold the memories I've made for a very long time.
This is basically giving students like me an idea of what it is to be a medical laboratory scientist.
We learned about clinical chemistry and urinalysis, and then we did microbiology, blood bank, and hematology.
This is something I've never been exposed to before, so it's really cool to see all these different things you would never otherwise get to see.
I'm seriously wondering if this might be what I should actually do. So the time I spent here in the summer immersion program will forever be a memorable experience.
So everyone's seeing the doctors and the nurses and those kind of more forward-facing careers, but the MLS career is really important for diagnosing because the doctors and the nurses wouldn't be able to make these diagnoses. They do need those lab results. They do need us to run those tests.
It really changed my perspective on how people can be the backbone and support for physicians, especially when it comes to diagnosis treatments.
Thank you to the donors, because without you, I'd never be able to see if I'd like to do medical laboratory sciences in my future.
Thank you so much to the donors and for making this opportunity available to us.
I do think programs like these are very helpful because you're just expected to know what you want to do. So programs like these where you can apply and see like, hey, do I want to do this for my future career? Because I never even considered it before.
Before this program, I was not really considering a career in the medical laboratory sciences field, but after this week, I'm definitely considering either majoring or even just minoring in it and a career in this field.